Hey guys, welcome to your favorite channel. We're back with a new video. For most of us, it's difficult to invest our initial capital due to fear, doubt, and lack of knowledge. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to invest your first $1,000 in the crypto market. Now, let's get started. Bitcoin. The obvious star of the show, the first, most decentralized, and scarce, Bitcoin. It also has the most extensive network, first mover advantage, and brand name. During a bull market, Bitcoin usually leads the way, and during a bear market, it drops less than all the other altcoins. You can invest at least $450 of your $1,000 in BTC. Ethereum. On Second Gold, although it began as a Bitcoin clone, it has since evolved into a completely new ecosystem. Not only is it an excellent store of value, but it also serves as a platform for smart contracts, DeFi, tokens, dApps, DAOs, and NFTs. You can purchase $350 in ETH. Altcoins. There are numerous interesting projects with solid fundamentals available. Solana, Polkadot, Polygon, Chainlink, AAVE, and Cardano are some of the best right now. So the remainder of your funds should get divided equally among those six. Altcoins rise faster than Bitcoin, but they also fall faster. Keep the risks in mind, and be ready to sell your altcoins when the bull market comes to an end. This should be your general allocation in the crypto market, although you can alter the proportions according to your risk appetite. Allocating more in the big two will provide more stability to your portfolio, whereas allocating more in altcoins will prove to be fast-growing but also a bit risky. You can also pick more altcoins to divide your remaining 20% capital to further avert risk, or you can pick 2 to 3 altcoins according to your research to gain more quantity, but that would come with a slight rise in the risk factor. You have 2 options for purchasing your coins. On the one hand, there are money management apps such as Revolut, Square, PayPal, and Robinhood. On the other hand, there are legitimate cryptocurrency exchanges such as Kraken, Binance, Coinbase, and FTX. After you've established your account, you can transfer funds and begin trading. These exchanges are extremely secure and allow coins to be transferred to a cold wallet, another exchange, or used as payment. A cold wallet is essentially a specialized USB stick that stores your seed phrase, which grants you access to your cryptocurrency. Because it is usually offline, hackers cannot access it. Buying cryptocurrency is currently a steal. It's slowed since reaching an all-time high of $64,000 in April. When the price was at its all-time high, everyone wanted to buy. Now, at a 65% discount, only the most astute investors and strong hands are getting in. That's it for the video, guys. Like and share the video if you found it useful. Comment down to help us beat the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to the channel for more useful and informational crypto videos. Till then, peace out.